Ahwatukee is probably best known for being a family-friendly neighborhood, and this house really magnifies that point, from its friendly neighbors to being one of the hot spots for kids to trick-or-treat. Now let's go inside the house. But wait, we can't go inside the house, not until I show you this magnificently beautiful tree. This tree is perfect for your little ones to play on, or just go and sit in the shade and read a book. It provides a nice reprieve from your year-round sunshine. Now as you enter the house, you will notice the premium wood laminate flooring, and an area with plenty of room for exercise equipment or an office, perhaps even a playroom if that fits your lifestyle. Next up is the kitchen, which has tons of space for prep and cooking, and even more cabinet space for all your kitchen gadgets. It also features all stainless steel appliances for an upscale look. There's plenty of seating in the kitchen, and it opens up to the family room, which makes it a great space for entertaining family and friends. As you can see, we've gone full circle now. Up here on the right is the very spacious laundry room with plenty of cabinet space. And just across from that is the guest bedroom, and conveniently located next door is the bathroom. As we head upstairs, the first bedroom on the right, we find the huge master bedroom. This space could also be used for exercise, an office, or even a private living room for parents to get some quiet time. It's literally a room within a room. Master bath offers a double sink, a water closet, shower, and a tub. For the other bedroom, we have another double sink with a separate shower, which is great for privacy if you have a big family. Then you have another comfortable sized room that was used as a nursing room. Next to that, you have another room that's big enough for 2 beds and has a closet large enough for 2 people. The backyard has a large covered patio with plenty of room to add a pool or the perfect basketball court-sized concrete slab just waiting for a hoop. I hope you enjoyed our virtual tour. If you would like more information on this home or other homes we have listed, feel free to contact me here, or if you need help selling your home, we can help with that too. Stay safe and have a great day.